guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna go have a thrift shopping, but I just finished my car fixing and I'm super hungry now, so I'm just gonna finish my meal first and then we can go over there. Let's go. Okay, finally we're here. It takes me about 30 minutes to drive here. I've only been here once before, and last time I found some very nice fabric here. And the price is fair as well. So the only reason I don't come here often is because the location, which is not really close to where I live. I don't know if you guys know that each thrift store is very different on both price and products. So for example, this store might have a variety of fabric because there is a fabric store nearby, while the other store has a big section of furniture. So if you really want to find the best one that works the best for you, you really need to looking around and discovering different locations, or even maybe doing a little research about the stores around that thrift store. Alrighty, let's look around first. Look at this piece, so pretty. No commercial. Alrighty, we just got back in a car from the store and we've got quite a few nice things. I'm not gonna video how we go back home the way because my camera was like burning when I got here. So see you guys at home. Alrighty, we're back home now. So usually once I get back home from thrift store, I'll usually go directly to the laundry room and put washable stuff in the washing machine and drying machine. I'll wash them in high heat. I know some stuff are not like washable. Well, they're washable, but it's better if you don't wash them with the washing machine, like dry clean stuff. I will hand wash them upstairs in the washing room. And with those unwashable stuff, like vases, like baskets, for those stuff I will use a Kleenex to clean them and use soap water to
with that word. Wipe it. Yep, I'll use the soap water to wipe it. And for those things like yarn, it's washable but not washable. I'll put them in the freezer, so any bacteria will be died in the freezer. But today, because I'm gonna show you guys all the stuff first, so I will do that step after. Alrighty, so let's start with the non-fabric stuff.
Recently, I've watched a video from one of my favorite YouTubers, Canon, which is about turning glass vases into ceramic look vases. And that video really inspired me a lot, and I really like the finished look of those vases, so I want to make some too.
And next up is this. I guess it's a candle holder. Here. Yep, it's $4.99, but it's so pretty. I might repaint it to black or chalkboard or something. We'll see. And the next one is the bamboo basket. There are some like chips here and here. I might just repaint them, but still in a very good condition. So yeah, it's $4.99, worth it. And then we move to fabric. As you might see earlier, there's a section called material. So I usually spend a lot of time in that section, and that's the area where I purchase most of my fabrics. Yeah, I don't go to Fabric Land anymore. So first is this. Look how beautiful it is. It's a balloon. See this beautiful balloon texture. Guess the price. Yeah, $5.99. Worth it, worth it, worth it. And then next piece is this beautiful interior fabric. It's sheer, it's shining golden, it's so pretty. And this one is, like, compared with others, it's a little bit expensive. I mean, it's $3.99. The price is okay, but the quantity of the fabric is not that much, right? It's only like a quarter yard or something. This piece is like a huge dark green, forest green. I'm pretty sure it's a curtain. I don't know. It's a very beautiful piece, and it feels like it could be a pretty like sheer crop top or something. I might make something out of it like soon, but we'll see. Oh, and the price, $4.99. Next is this linen fabric. So nothing really special. Feels like there are like 3 or 4, even 5 yards here. Just the lightweight linen. So it feels like even I don't use this fabric for like real garments, I can use them as muslin for like marking or making samples, right? It's worth it for sure. And the price is $4.99. So next, there are those 3 fabrics. They're like quite similar textures. I mean weight, textures, whatever. And they're like, the hand feels really like silk chiffon. I'm not sure if it's silk, it needs to be tested. And it's very pretty. Look at it. Look at the color. It goes pretty well together. And the price is $1.99 for each. Next is this. So this is just the basic lining fabric. Black, good for coat, for pants, anything to be lined. So this one has medium weight, so it's good for the coat, like autumn fall coat, not winter coat maybe. But it's $2.99, so why not? Okay, I believe that's all the material, raw material. And then it's the garments section. Let's start it with the pants. So here is the first pants. I bought size for like 11 to 12. I usually purchase larger sizes than myself. I wear like 8 to 10. But you know, it's easy to make garments smaller, but it's really, really hard to make a small garments bigger, right? Like we don't have material there. So yeah, this one is very good. So the other thing is when I picking pants or jeans, I will usually check the crotch area because for me personally, I always need to like patch the crotch area, which is kind of embarrassing, but yep. So this one feels like I can turn it into a very cute little fitted pants or something like that. And the price for this one is $5.99. Can you see it? $5.99. The next one, another pants. So this pants, again, it's clean. It's like no mistake pants. The pocket is huge. I always like pockets. And the size is, let's see, the size is large. So it's probably my size. I don't know. I haven't tried it yet. So yeah, it's very cute, and it's like elastic at the waist. So if I want, I can change elastic and make it like tighter. So the price for this one is also $5.99. So this one, this is actually a very cute blazer, jacket, shirt. I don't know. It's kind of in between. I can tell it's like old because the shoulder pads. It's probably like my grandmother's age will wear it. But look at pattern. It's so cute and plain. So the size is 20, which is like big enough for me to make some changes. And the price is $3.49. And then the last piece. I'm so happy with this one. It feels like it's my, I don't even want to say it's one-off. It is my best purchase this year, for sure. Look at this. Isn't it pretty? Oh my goodness. Look at the shoulder here, the button here, and it's a vintage piece for sure. But look at the price. It's ridiculous. It's $4.99 for this beautiful vintage piece. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think that's it for today's video. And then like for me, I will holding all those stuff downstairs and put them in the washing machine. And we'll see you guys next week. Bye.